Okay, here's a quick video on how to tunnel over SSH, but making a tunnel over 2 hops. Why would I ever want to do this? Well, first of all, let's say that the only way to access your corporate network or educational network is behind a firewall. First, you have to connect through the firewall, which I've done in another video. But then let's say the host that you're trying to connect to doesn't allow remote connections, only allows local connections. So first we have to create a tunnel to hop through the firewall, and then another tunnel to hop to that host and forward the local connection back over the tunnel. Let's take a look. So we just have to tunnel twice. Oops. Let's start with PuTTY. That's what I meant. So PuTTY. That's my firewall, or my host that's allowed through the firewall, SSH access. We will then expand our tunnel, and remember right here, this number doesn't matter. So let's do 27,666. And the destination I want to connect to. Now, I really just want to connect to the machine. If I put localhost here, it's going to connect to the remote host that I'm connecting to, which is ssh.cs.dixie.edu in this case. And it's going to set up a listener on some other port I put over there. Let's put a random number, 27666. I don't really care about that number. Hopefully it's one that's not used. If it is used, then we'll have an issue. But I'm going to, so anything I connect to on my local host, 27666, will be then forwarded back over my SSH connection to that machine's port 27666, and it will send me anything that's sent to that port. Let's try it. Okay. And now, yay. Well, what does that do for me? Well, it's set up a listener. Now I'm going to connect to that other machine. So I'm going to connect to this other machine that only allows me to connect via localhost. Oh, what was that machine here? 27666, I think. Localhost. The port I want to connect to listing on localhost, and that one is 9000. That's because I know the service over there that's running at port 9000 is the one I need to connect to. So it's the second SSH tunnel. Okay, so now I've set up the tunnel. Now how do I test it? Well, I know it's a web-based port. So HTTP localhost 27666, I hope. And there we go. So that was the only, this one was SonarQube. It was running way over there on that other server, port 9000. We bounced through the SSH server, bounced over to the other machine, and forwarded that port.